and welcome back to another What's in My Skincare Fridge update. This is for April of 2024. Still have largely the same shit in here, but there's definitely some new stuff that wasn't there last time, so let's go. First off at the top, we have got the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, which I think is new from the last time. There was a slightly different one, same kind of bottle, same size in there last time, but very subtly different one. We've also got, what is this? Ah, yeah, I forgot that was up there. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer. We've got the Tony Moly Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream, which, you know, you only need a tiny little bit at a time, but I do have the full size of it when it runs out. I keep falling asleep before doing my nighttime skincare routine, so this would have been done months ago if I actually were doing it every night the way I'm supposed to, but I think I have maybe twice this year actually remembered to actually do the nighttime routine. I get out as far on a good day as using the micellar water on my face to take the makeup off, and that's as far as I get most days. Truth be told. So, anyway, we've got our, what is it? Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost, which is currently way down here, but still plenty left. I'm loving it. This has not budged since last time, this curl cream. I'm just gonna pop that out of the way. Quartz roller, as usual, always lives in there. Don't fall off the back. Oh yeah, see, I moved that shit out of the way. I'm like, oh yeah, I have hella stuff in here I forgot about. Still untouched. Still untouched. It's probably gonna get tossed. I'm like, ain't no way this is gonna stay good. We have the Hanalei Aloe Hawaiian Face Cleanser, which I really need to remind myself, hey dumbass, this is in there, use it. I don't think, well, maybe it's been used once since last update. The Spascriptions Cucumber Gel Face Mask. It's not that I have any dislike of it, it keeps getting pushed to the back, and I keep forgetting it's back there till I do another update. And then I'm like, oh yeah, should probably use that. And then, finally, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream with sunscreen in it, which is still so far untouched because I'm working on that Tarte one. So let me load these back in there and we'll do the lower shelf. Okay, so for our lower shelf, we've got our Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. We are now down to about here with them. These have been used plenty. But again, it only takes a drop or two at a time every time you do it, so. This guy's new. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser, which I've been using pretty much daily since I rolled it in, which I realize is more than you're supposed to use it. You're only supposed to use it like twice a week. Whoops, don't care. We have the Neutrogena Bright Boost Illuminating Serum, which, since we can't see through the side, is... okay, let's not get stuff dropping. It's, you know, a fair ways down in there. Excuse me. Excuse me again. We've got the Cocoa Kind Ceramide Barrier Cream, which thankfully does not have coconut in it. I was nervous because of the name, but no coconut. We have the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum, which I use this like daily. The La Roche-Posay Hyalur B5 Serum. Haven't used that yet, it's just in there, ready to go for whenever I need the next serum. We have this Purely's Kale plus Vitamin K Moisturizer. Haven't tried that yet, it's just in here, ready to go. This I've used a lot too. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. How far down are we? Let's look. It is not not as far as I thought. It's to about the cross on the E. It's about there. There's a lot left. This has seen some use. This has seen some use since last time. It's still not gone though, which is frustrating since it feels like it should be. But oh my god, I'm like so hellbent on just use up the last little bit that's in there. But anyway, but yeah. We've got our Pixie Skin Treats Rose Glow Facial Mist, which is to the top of the word rose now. So it's moving. Slowly, but it's moving. We also have the regular Pixie Glow Mist, which I've used it maybe twice this year so far. And then this guy, I don't know, is this even still good? Let me see, do I need to toss it? December 21st, 2023. It's probably still fine. It's just sparkling water. How bad could it go? But I should probably drink it soon, because it's still sitting in there. But, yeah. So let me load this back up, and we'll check out what's in the door. Okay, now the stuff in the door. It's largely the same shit, but there's been a couple of moves since last time. So I've got... oh, yeah. Still the last of the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. I don't know if I've used that since the last update. We've got the, what is this? Sisley Gel Express Flower Gel. Haven't used that yet. The Pure Heals Ginseng Berry 80 Overnight Mask. Haven't used that yet. The Nature Revital Collagen Sheet Mask. The Freeman Hydrating Aloe and Sea Berry Sheet Mask. The Nature Carrot Balance and Clear Skin Everyday Veggie Slice Mask. This is from Five Below. The Body Raves Be Pure Pink Grapefruit and Vitamin C Mask. Mostly because I forgot about those. I was like, oh yeah, I just ran across them recently. I was like, I should pop these in there too. We have another one of the Creme Shop Bulgarian Rosewater face masks. This one I really liked the other one that I had, and I think I got like 4 uses out of it, so not bad at all. We have, ooh, they're falling out. The Patchholic Cool Aqua Plus Moisturizing Mask. The Glam Up Revitalizing Japanese Sake Enhanced Radiance Sheet Mask. The GBC Beauty Gold Spa Treatment Mask. Another Body Raves You Look Lovely Cucumber Rose Sheet Mask. And finally, another Patchholic. This is the Aqua Plus Soothing Mask. And there we go. That is what is in my skincare fridge for April of 2024. So I feel like these might be interesting to at least some of you guys, since it's almost like a sneak peek of what's coming that I'm going to review that I haven't yet, as well as just seeing what is in rotation that I'm currently using. So anyway, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.